My people, how na dey? We from TMC TV, we don bring another ogbonge tori again o. This time around, we don enter Ulegun community for Ekpo local government area. And for this community, the people wey dey stay for here, they don cry. Say last year on the 26th of August, one Frank Irabo carry jeep, carry bulldozer, come bulldoze their house wey dem don build o. Some don even finish am, some wey even park enter. But as the man come now, e clear everywhere. The houses dey pass 50. So these people they don come cry. They beg our governor wey get ear to tell you say may he come to their aid o. You see this building? Na part of the building wey dem destroy. This house now e don go finish. Wey dem come carry caterpillar, dem come destroy am. This kind of building plenty for inside. They pass 50 wey dem destroy for Ulegun community. They appeal to our governor wey get lis ten ear say make he come to their aid, make he chook mouth for the matter.
First and foremost, my name be Alele Goswawa Iyamu. Since on the 26th of August 2022, now Frank Irabo with 7 chip, they can't destroy our house for Ulegun here. Ever since, they not can't do anything. We dey beg God, we don't go government house since several times, they not can help us. Now we generally, no, we man not get house for this Ulegun. Now we can't say make we can't beg Godwin, Obaseki, no say the governor of Edo State. Make we beg and make he help us. We dey stressed. We have been outside. Now only he go fit do one for us. Now we come back, we not get. Now if you are governor, now we know. We don't know anybody when he go fit help us. No laho. He married Oyinya, no wish upon him. I know they sleep pass again. That time, my landlord drive me, I come dey stay with my brother for her. Today I get a kata don't did there now. Now I want to come beg Governor Obaseki, no say the governor of Edo State, make it come help us. I beg. Now I come for. Now we are tired of staying from one house to the other. Make it help us. Now we come. 58 houses. And fence around. Fence there. Fence is not included though. Foundation, there's so many others. So please, you should come and help us. You should come to our aid. We are dying in silence.
The house when we managed, they built for Ulegun community. On the 26th of August last year, 2022, at the house, now they just come and say, your house, they don't begin to destroy more. Now I run come. When I reach here now, I come meet Frank Irabo with a 7 sieve, with a 3 caterpillar. They say now Oba send they come say me they come destroy the house. They say the land belong to Oba. Since then now, we don't get where to stay. Even my house, I don't complete am. To park enter and I remain since then when they destroy. We don't come government house several times. Come the beg governor, may come to our aid. Even as far as the matter dey court now, no say Obaseki. Now still help us arrest all those criminals. Since then, we come beg governor Obaseki, may he help us.
Finish.
Make them restore our house back for us. I beg. Now that one now we can't beg for.
Beg.
We know say now only you one I go feed do one. We not get where we dey cry go. Because Pala they don't do their own, they don't do their own. Now only you go feed help us. That's why we cry, come meet you now. I beg, no help us. Make them come I beg. We take God beg you. I beg.
Last year, August 9 dem call say dem dey scatter house here. Who dey scatter house now? They say na one person come for palace wey Frank Irabo say na palace na I call am and I tell am say make he come scatter house for here. Since then now when dem scatter house for Ulegun here, we no dey fear, no even let me even where I wan take face the Irabo sef. Marriage now e dey at stake. As I dey talk to you so, my husband no even dey pick my call. He no dey answer us. Na only me wan know as I take dey carry my children waka, all because of say palace don come scatter e house when e dey suffer abuse since when e comot for Nigeria go abroad. Now I no even get where I wan stay because the house we don complain, we don seek borehole, we don even dey pack small things dey enter inside there. Make we come enter house now. I see say house e don scatter. Na governor na hope wey I come get. If not be say wetin our able governor Obaseki don do, where he don carry the matter reach. Na be the hope when I get. Na even they make me dey feel dey face my in-law there, because we dey see am the progress, the way they carry dem go court and all of them. But I see dey beg am, make e abeg, make e no forsake us, make e no forsake us. Dem no dey answer us, we no know where we dey now. Abeg, our able governor, na beg na dey. Abeg, make e pity for me, abeg.
If you look am, I know say when the whole world go see am now, they go say this pastor he don't come out again, because no be the first time when we dey come out for this matter. As we dey hear other of my brother and my sister, they talk am since. Now since last year, August, now they call us. For me, say one Frankie Rabo from Palace, they destroy our houses. All the chiefs, all of them stand. I think say na joke. They destroy all the houses. As law abiding citizen where we be, we look and we no go fit fight for ourselves. Now we run, go meet the governor. Governor Godwin in Obaseki. We don't go meet am severally on this matter. The last time when we go, as we reach governor place, after a while, governor come set up peace committee for Ministry of Justice. They can't call us. They can't talk to us. Say make we dey law abiding. Make we wait. Say government, they go back us. And really since then, they do what they go do. But we won't let the whole world know now. Say I want to remind the governor. Say now 8 months. Now a day now when we be say they don't send us come up for house when we manage build. They destroy the house. If you look around now, you go see and say all the houses when they now, all of them dey ground. Not be saying now video or before. Now today so when we dey talk to you, now they do all these video, all these houses so. Anybody from the whole world feel come make a come see am. We dey beg Governor Obaseki. Now let him be the governor when they listen to us. Make him help us. He don't try, he don't do his best. Make it try, make it best. Make it be say these our houses, the way we take the talk so, they go still call us again. We will come out again, come tell the whole world, say, see what our governor don't do for us. I beg. Now Nida na we dey. Now beg na we dey. We no get house again. They don't drive us. I beg, make una help us. We dey cry to the whole world. We dey cry to our governor, make una help us. I beg. Make we get our house back. We no get power of our own, we go take fight.
From Ulegun community, Omekare the report from Edo State.